Hello everyone. In the series of teaching computer science to class 11th as per your NCERT CBSE curriculum, firstly I would like to tell you how you have to proceed with the lessons so that learning become easy and well organized. Well, I have divided each lesson into various parts like part A, part B, part C, part D and so on depending on the size of the chapter. And also the topics and subtopic will follow the same numbering pattern as given in your NCERT textbook so that it becomes easier for you to refer and match the content. So let's begin with the syllabus first. First is your chapter number 1, which is computer system, and the subtopic under this are 1.1 Introduction to Computer System, 1.2 Evolution of Computer, 1.3 Computer Memory, 1.4 Data Transfer between Memory and CPU, 1.5 Microprocessors, 1.6 Data and Information, 1.7 Software, 1.8 Operating System. Now coming to chapter number 2, which is Encoding Schemes and Number System, and the subtopics under it are 2.1 Introduction, 2.2 Number System, 2.3 Conversion between number systems. Then coming to chapter number 3, which is Emerging Trends, and the subtopics under it are 3.1 Introduction, 3.2 which is Artificial Intelligence, also known as AI, 3.3 Big Data, 3.4 Internet of Things or IoT, 3.5 Cloud Computing, 3.6 Grid Computing, 3.7 Blockchains. Now coming to chapter number 4, which is your Introduction to Problem Solving, and the subtopics under it are 4.1 Introduction, 4.2 Steps for Problem Solving, 4.3 Algorithm, 4.4 Representation of Algorithm, 4.5 Flow of Control, 4.6 Verifying Algorithms, 4.7 Comparison of Algorithm, 4.8 Coding, 4.9 Decomposition, and coming to chapter number 5, which is Getting Started with Python, and the subtopics under it are 5.1 Introduction to Python, 5.2 Python Keywords, 5.3 Identifiers, 5.4 Variables, 5.5 Comments, 5.6 Everything is an Object, 5.7 Data Types, 5.8 which is Operators, 5.9 Expressions, 5.10 Statement, 5.11 Input and Output, 5.12 Type Conversion, 5.13 Debugging. Now coming to chapter number 6, which is Flow of Control, and the subtopics are 6.1 Introduction, 6.2 Selection, 6.3 Indentation, 6.4 Repetition, 6.5 Break and Continue Statement, 6.6 Nested Loops. Coming to chapter number 7, which is Functions, and the subtopics are 7.1 Introduction, 7.2 Functions, 7.3 User Defined Functions, 7.4 Scope of a Variable, 7.5 Python Standard Library. Now is your chapter number 8, which is Strings, and subtopics are 8.1 Introduction, 8.2 Strings, 8.3 String Operations, 8.4 Traversing a String, 8.5 String Methods and Built-in Functions, 8.6 Handling String. Now coming to chapter number 9, which is List, and the subtopics are 9.1 Introduction to List, 9.2 List Operations, 9.3 Traversing a List, 9.4 List Methods and Built-in Functions, 9.5 Nested List, 9.6 Copying List, 9.7 List as Arguments to Functions, 9.8 List Manipulation. Then is your chapter number 10, which is Tuples and Dictionaries. Subtopics under it are 10.1 Introduction to Tuples, 10.2 Tuple Operations, 10.3 Tuple Methods and Built-in Functions, 10.4 Tuple Assignment, 10.5 Nested Tuples, 10.6 Tuple Handling, 10.7 Introduction to Dictionaries, 10.8 Dictionaries are Mutable, 10.9 Dictionary Operations, 10.10 Traversing a String, 10.11 Dictionary Methods and Built-in Functions, 10.12 Manipulating Dictionaries. Now coming to the last chapter, which is your chapter number 11, which is Societal Impact, and subtopics are 11.1 Introduction, 11.2 Digital Footprints, 11.3 Digital Society and Netizen, 11.4 Data Protection, 11.5 cybercrime 11.6, Indian Information Technology Act IT Act 11.7, impact on health. So this is the overall syllabus as per your NCERT CBSE curriculum. Okay, well, I will be explaining everything in your bilingual format so that you can easily understand. And very soon we'll start with the first chapter. Till then, bye bye.